Richard, why did you pick this awful place?
I thought you would like it. They have free beer. What do you drink?
I drink Chardonnay. I hate this place, and look at the way you dressed.
Oh, I tried to do my best. I'm sorry.
Where did you go to school?
Rydell Elementary School. And you?
What college did you go to, Richard? Do you work?
Yes, I work. Everything works. Do you know what I mean? You sure have a lot of questions.
Oh, I so love meeting people on J-Date.
Just kidding, of course.
Richard, are you rich?
Do you want a drink?
So you go by Richard. Are you rich?
Some people call me Dick. Yo, do you want a drink or not?
Not yet. I want to get to know you first.
You're kidding, I hope. Geez, I need a drink. Arlene, do you like online dating?
Not tonight.
Have you had any interesting evenings?
I have had some, but I am a little picky.
I have to get that. It's my mother, she wants me to come home. I have to leave now, Arlene. One drink for the road?
No thanks.
Oh, you have a drinking problem.
No, I don't drink.
That is what I mean. Oh well, nice meeting you. What other sites are you on? I will have to stay clear of them now.
Good night, Dick. Very funny.